Okay, now we're back. Mukbang. Got China Express, Benji beef, fried rice chow mein, and orange chicken. Let's see.
You see me doing different things to television to find my audience and yeah. You watch it's a market price, man. You have to change. You can't be the same artist. You didn't have a number to call Madonna and say, hey, Madonna. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a 6 degrees of separation. When you see things that, like online, because that's really what it is. Photographs. Right. Because she had like, yeah, she did put it up stuck under the bed, like the booty's up in the head and the head stuck under the bed. 6 degrees, girl. Yeah. Go from under the bed, boy. Grandma, are you stuck? Are you stuck? Are you out here? Waiting for the hit life alert? I'm like, yo, I'm like, and I would say, to my imagination, I go, who's taking the picture? There's no kids there. Oh, man. Oh. So you put that out, and she sees it. Do you feel bad when she is like, oh, he's a bully, or do you ever feel bad? I tell you the truth, I really was uncomfortable when she kind of jumped out to her own day. You know, I'm on social media. How long ago was the lady said to me, okay. You know, I'm saying certain things on stage, right. And she jumped out there like she was going for the kill. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going, I know the mistake. I know who they are. You know what I'm saying? Like Lil Durk, the big young boy, the baby, they all 50 Cent. Mm-hmm. You see what I'm saying? Like I watch them, those ones that I look at because I know, I hope they can navigate themselves. Right. They're like, I've seen it. Yes. Yeah. And now you can sit in and make their way through it. Because and now everything is, magnified and amplified now too. And you don't see, since the pandemic, when people do things just a little more blatant, this is the news. You look at the news, it's just a little more blatant like that. But they come like it's a movie now. It's not even like, you don't worry about, no, you don't. You don't worry about cancel culture now. Huh? Why would you cancel things that Right. Like, I mean, like, I was like canceled, like, Monique, why did she cancel? Mm-hmm. I had to revisit that because it was like, it didn't make sense to me. I'm like, what did she said something you did? So she didn't work for 13 years after that? Right. And then I knew Tyler wouldn't support that. He never told nobody not to work with him. Tyler Perry? Yeah. When I talked to him, he was like, no, I never told no one not to work with him. And I said, but you Tyler Perry, and you never told anyone to work with him. You know what I'm saying? And he was like, I know. As I said, you just gotta consider how strong the influence is. Because it hasn't happened. Like you say some things that I get scared of. I get to a point, I'm like, man, do they know my algorithm is seeing this? You know what I'm saying? I'm like, man, like this guy, hey, Renee is here too. Do you ever get nervous, Renee, when he step away with his phone? Oh, okay. Renee was like, no, we've been working for years. But that's it, it's crazy. When the new channels open, right? When you do have the platform, because you gotta have a hit that they don't expect for them to look at you like maybe you have something. Like you gotta defend on posting something. Like Jimmy would go, even Dean would go, when the first time I heard Cheap, the shit I don't like, that's the shit. I'm like, yo, this is crazy. I played it in the, I just got it. I just heard it. And he was like, wait, get that kid to, not him, not Cheeky, but whoever produced that, get him. This I Chop got to LA. Wow. Because he needed to put him in the room right. Because whatever musically is going on there is crazy. Anything new is changing.